We appear anywhere, anytime. You know that show called Know Them Better, the show where we bring in the stars of Giyani Land of Blood. This is season 1 of that show where we're gonna take your time to know them passionately, to know them according to how you're supposed to know them. Because at the end of the day, if you don't ask the questions, you're not gonna know them. And if you won't know them, you end up saying, oh my God, why didn't I know them? I had a chance to ask the question, but I didn't ask the question because I was given the opportunity to ask the question. So now, who's our next guest? Our next guest, you go to a girl and you ask her out with someone's name, you know those things that you do. But Chief, tell me, how do you ask out a girl by using your friend's name? I mean, how does these things work in this life? How?
Oh well, you know how it goes. Like,
how does it go?
We're telling stories. Okay, I know the situation. Let me tell you what I know this situation very well.
Okay.
I mean, okay, Teresabito, no. But you know, like it's like that. It's like that. Sometimes you have to feed, Baba. You've got to feed.
What he's actually saying. What is actually saying?
Me, I just want the girl. Just give me the girl. The girl is mine. You know, I don't care
no, don't be his friend, guys. Don't be his friend because he's gonna cause you problems in your life. Stress, headache, and all those things. But anyway, in a nutshell, please ask him all the questions, guys. Guys,
anything.
You know, man, I'm pleading with you guys. I'm begging you. Don't ask him what shoe size does he wear. That's not a question.
That's size 9.
But you see, so answer really. Don't ask us questions. Don't ask him what is his hair color. Don't ask him how tall is he. Ask him real questions that are gonna build you. Remember, a lot of guys we don't know anything about the industry. There's a lot of misinformation. Ask him. He's a first timer. This man came to Polokwane for the audition. He left Joburg to come to Polokwane for the audition, and I liked him then. But today he's here. Can know them better. Ask them the questions. All the questions that you wanna ask them.
Anything.
Hey, let's go. Shout it.
I'm out there. Shout.
Shout here. Subscribe. Subscribe. Everything is fine.
Giyani, Land of Blood. Don't remember, Giyani, Land of Blood, season 1 from 9:30, SABC 2, Monday to Wednesday.
Subscribe.